Hi everyone, good morning. My name is Goddess Cookie Felix. I'm here again for another emergency message. Just so you know, I do channel messages on YouTube. I have my retainer in, so that's why I'm talking like this. I just woke up, my spirit team gave me a message and I have to put it out. I do channel messages on YouTube. I work with a lot of the semi-masters out there. I have my own skincare company. I make soaps and body scrubs, and I sell them on different pop-ups as well as on my website. I'm a Reiki master. I do 13 octaveology if anybody wants a session, and I have my guidance sessions. You can go on my website, www.goddesscookiefelix.com, and yeah, and feel free to leave a comment or something. I just woke up, so I'm kind of exhausted, and I have to, oh sorry, spit. Yeah, that's how it is. I just woke up and I have to start my day, go to work. But I wanted to do this before I went to my job. I have to wash my hair, do a whole bunch of stuff, and go shopping. So, yeah, that's how you know I just literally woke up. Sorry, this is gross. But this is an emergency message, and I'm not sure who it pertains to, but my spirit team informed me there's going to be a typewriter found in a 400-year-old typewriter found in September 2022. That's all the message was. And how it came in, it looked like it was an article online. Sorry, something that you Google and you click on it and blue. That's all the message was. I don't know who it's for. I think this seems like this is confirmation for somebody or credibility from, I don't know, some sort of confirmation or something out there for somebody who's been looking for a sign. And this is a message for them. I'm not sure who you are, but this is for you. You've seen my YouTube channel, and this is the message that they wanted to come through. Yes, this is how I look in the morning. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, feel free to contact me, www.goddesscookiefelix.com, Instagram, Goddess Cookie Felix LLC, Facebook, I am Cookie Felix, Twitter, Goddess Cookie F. Any more questions, just leave a comment, email me, message me. I'm here on Facebook, YouTube, and feel free to look at my products. I have a bunch of new ones coming up online. Thank you. Take care. Bye.